Ever needed to show users what's happening inside your server without building a custom status system? We'll implement a basic, FastMCP tool that sends simple progress messages at each step using ctx.info. You'll see how the context object provides direct communication to clients, with each message appearing in the client interface as the tool executes its operations.
At MCP tool, async def backup database, CTX, context, SDR, backup database with progress information, await ctx.info, starting database backup, await ctx.info, connecting to database, await ctx.info, backup completed successfully, return, database backed up.
This demonstrates the basic client messaging pattern in FastMCP tools. The @MCP tool decorator exposes a function that uses the context object to send informational updates to connected clients, providing simple visibility into execution progress. The distinctive aspect here is the direct client communication channel that requires no additional infrastructure beyond the framework's built-in capabilities. The pattern works through straightforward status messaging, where ctx.info sends plain text updates at key points in the operation. Each message appears in the client's interface in sequence, creating a simple execution trace without requiring numeric progress tracking or complex state management. While the context object supports additional methods for warnings, errors, and debug information, this example focuses solely on basic informational updates. This approach provides immediate user feedback during tool execution, preventing the perception of stalled operations. It's particularly useful for simple tools where progress can be described in textual milestones rather than percentages. For more sophisticated progress reporting with numeric completion tracking, tools would use ctx, report progress, instead, but this example shows the minimal viable pattern for keeping clients informed. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP tool, async def backup database, CTX, context, SDR, backup database with progress information.
The @MCP tool decorator exposes this async function as an AI callable tool in FastMCP. The ctx context parameter provides progress reporting via ctx.info, sending status messages to the client interface. This is the basic pattern for all FastMCP tools, simple string returns with optional progress updates through the context object.
Await ctx.info, starting database backup.
This sends informational updates to the AI client through the context interface's info method. FastMCP tools use ctx.info for simple status messages that appear in the client's execution context, providing basic progress visibility without numeric tracking. For actual progress bars, tools should use ctx, report progress with current total values as documented in the progress guide.
Await ctx.info, connecting to database.
This sends informational updates to the calling client through the context object. FastMCP tools use ctx.info to provide status messages that appear in the client's execution context, keeping users informed about operation stages. For numeric progress tracking, tools should use ctx, report progress instead.
Await ctx.info, backup completed successfully.
This sends a final status update through FastMCP's context interface. The ctx.info method provides simple text-based progress notifications to clients, while more advanced progress tracking would use ctx, report progress with numeric values. All FastMCP tools should use context for consistent status reporting.
Return, database backed up.
The return statement provides the final string output that the AI caller receives. In FastMCP tools, All return values must be strings to ensure consistent serialization for AI model consumption. This pattern guarantees the tool's result integrates cleanly into the AI's context window. FastMCP progress messaging. The ctx.info method provides simple status updates during tool execution, keeping clients informed through textual progress messages. This example demonstrates the most basic form of progress communication, using only ctx.info for sequential operation updates. For numeric progress tracking, tools should implement ctx, report progress with current total values as shown in the official progress documentation.
The message that needs no number measures all progress.